How to fix Instagram Reels not working. So here is a step-by-step guide to fix this issue, including issues like Reels not showing, not loading, or not playing properly. So the first step is to check your internet connection. Instagram Reels require a stable and fast connection. Drag down the control center from the top right corner of your screen and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or else simply restart your router or modem. And you can also run a speed test or try loading videos in other apps. And if other apps are working just fine but it is just your Instagram Reels, then all you have to do is force close and reopen Instagram. And if this also does not work, then simply go to the App Store from your home screen and simply tap on it. Now once inside App Store, simply search for the Instagram app and tap on it from the available list there. Then tap on the update option right next to it and update it to the latest version. An outdated app may not support Reels or have bugs, so this might fix this issue. Now once updated, all you have to do is simply open the Instagram app and try viewing or uploading the Reels. And if it still does not work, then the last solution is to reinstall the Instagram app on your mobile device. Go back to the home screen, then simply uninstall the Instagram and restart your iPhone or Android and reinstall from the official App Store or Google Play Store and log in again. This ensures a clean and updated install.
If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.